The final battle to salvage the Building Bridges Initiative BBI bill is set at the Supreme Court starting tomorrow. Chief Justice Martha Koome will lead a bench of 7 judges of the Apex Court to hear the BBI case in 3 days. Attorney General Kihara Kariuki, through Solicitor General Ken Ogeto, wants the country's top court to overturn the decision of the Court of Appeal that upheld the ruling of the High Court that ruled the BBI bill as null and void.
And the aim of the BBI was to improve our governance structure. They say that a good idea can always yield to a better idea. And a better idea yields to the best idea. And what we were intending to do was basically to try to improve.
The Attorney General argues that the Constitution of Kenya Amendment Bill 2021 conformed to all the requirements to warrant a referendum.
Donated, which is 30 minutes.
The Supreme Court has categorized about 7 sets of issues to be supported or objected. One of the key issues to be determined is whether the basic structure doctrine is applicable in the Kenyan Constitution, whether the President can initiate amendments to the Constitution, whether the additional 70 constituencies were constitutional or not. The Apex Court will also determine whether there was public participation in the constitutional amendment process or not, whether IEBC was at the moment properly constituted to verify the BBI 1 million signatures. The Koome-led court will also rule if the president can be sued in his personal capacity or not, and finally, if the proposed amendments ought to be split into multiple referendum questions or combined into a single referendum question. According to Deputy Registrar of the Supreme Court, only 2 counsels per party shall appear and address the court in conformity to COVID-19 rules.
The notice of motion application dated.
The appellants, including Attorney General, IEBC, and Morara Omoke, have been allocated a combined duration of 2 hours and 15 minutes to argue their case. On the other hand, the 11 respondents, including David Ndii, Thadwe Alliance, and Isaac Arlochier, will have 6 hours to deliver their oral submissions. The court will also seek services of 8 top law experts selected from across the world to join the case as friends of the court, alias amicus curiae. Among them is Migaya Kech of University of Nairobi, David Landau from the US, Yaniv Rosnai from Israel, Rosalind Dixon from Australia, Gautam Bhatia from India, and Richard Albert from the US. Giverson Minor, K24, Nairobi.